I'm Professor Anthony Welch from the University of Sydney, and it's been my great honour to be the chair of this conference in Sri Lanka, in Colombo, on the wonderful island of Sri Lanka, on the future of education. I'm delighted to say it has attracted a number of participants from quite a number of countries, all of them contributing to our understanding of technology in education, culture in education, and a range of other important ways in which education is changing. Delighted at the success of the conference, and I hope to see everyone and a much larger group at the next conference in 2019 in Thailand next year.